Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
When you have somebody that hits you with this stuff, your attitude is everything. You can't take offense to buyers that drop this on you. A lot of times, it is not even a real objection. They are just talking. So when you hear these annoying sounds, these difficult objections, just think if it is even real, because most of the time, they are saying it as a stall. So what is your rebuttal to these? What is your comeback? Do you have a way to take this to the next step and either complete the appointment or complete the sale? Because when you hear these annoying sounds, you have to stay professional and you need to know exactly what you're gonna say.
You think we could listen to the radio or something?